Hello dear students, I am Kadambini and you are watching Kadambini Srishti. So today we will discuss the first part of the second chapter of class 9 Odia medium English book, that is The Swimmer Who Does Not Need Her Legs. So let us watch this video before going to start the chapter. Hi friends, I am Janaki. Let me tell you some of the philosophy of my life. The first thing is I have always wanted to do something worthwhile in life. And the second point is I strongly believe that the word impossible is applied to something that has not been tried. And the third one, I wanted to prove that to be handicapped is no bar to success. One can overcome all obstacles by hard work, determination, courage and self-reliance. And self-reliance is very important. God helps those who helps themselves. Lastly, there is one more thing that I would like to say. There is really no shortcut to success. So these are my philosophy of life. I hope you will understand and also opt for some of the points. Let me tell you my story from a handicapped to the first handicapped person to be a part of a successful team crossing the channel. Now, my dear students, you must have understood what are the points and what is the philosophy of Janaki's life. So here in this chapter, we will see how those points are clearly not only mentioned but also followed by this girl, that is C.N. Janaki. This whole chapter is divided into two parts. And today we are going to discuss part 1. Okay, so for our convenience and for your understanding, I have divided this part into two major segments. Now let me tell you what are those points. So the first one is C.N. Janaki, or we can say about C.N. Janaki, and the second point is C.N. Janaki's training. So under the first point, again we have 5 points to discuss, and under second point another 5 points to discuss. So it will make you easy to understand the chapter, and with that you will also be able to answer the questions that will come in your examination in future. Hope you understand what I want to say. So let us start from part 1. So here the part 1 is about C.N. Janaki. Under this part, I have taken only 2 paragraphs. So now you just keep your book with yourself so that it will be easier for you to understand the chapter in a better way. Okay, so all of you open your book. Now the time to discuss paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. So I will put some questions to you and you have to give and get ready with the answers. So the first question is, who is C.N. Janaki? Yes, open your copy and start writing questions with answers. Who is C.N. Janaki? C.N. Janaki is the first handicapped person to be a part of successful team crossing English Channel. Okay, so this question you may get in your examination. Next question. When was C.N. Janaki struck by polio? C.N. Janaki was struck by polio in the year 1987. So, the next point out of the 5, that is the third point, here the question is, when did Janaki got the idea to swim English Channel? As a child, Janaki got this idea to cross English Channel. Next comes, what did she do to fulfill her idea? Yes, she sent a message to the English Channel Swimming Association. This is the 4th point. The last of this point is, what was the reply of the English Channel Swimming Association? Yes, this is the most important question that generally comes in your examination. Okay, can you tell me what was the reply of the English Channel Swimming Association? Yes, here the Swimming Association, they said you have to fulfill 2 conditions for this swimming of English Channel. Now, what were the 2 conditions? The first point is the swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water. And the second one, the swimmer should be able to do marathon swimming. That is, he or she should be able to spend or swim in high seas for a long period at a stretch. Okay, so these are the basic point that is required for swimming the English Channel. So here the first part of our conversation or discussion is over. That is, who is C.N. Janaki or about C.N. Janaki. Next part is training of C.N. Janaki. Let us see what are the points we have to discuss under training head. Now the time of the first point of the second part, that is the training part. Okay, here to fulfill the first condition of the English Channel Swimming Association, Janaki began her training in Bangalore. First point, how long she took that training? The training continued for 4 years. Yes, you are correct. If you have the book, then you can answer the questions correctly. Next point, who was the coach in Bangalore training? Yes, the NIS coach. NIS means National Institute of Sports. And the coach, Mr. Gopal. These were 4 years completed. Next comes what was the output or result of this training. After the completion of 4 years, Mr. Gopal gave a certificate to Janaki. Written what? She had seen Janaki swimming for 10 hours continuously. Okay, so this is the first point. Let us discuss what is the second point. In Bangalore, she has got the capability to swim 10 hours at a stretch. Now the time for second condition of the swimming association. That is swimming for a long hour in high seas at a stretch. So she went to the town of Malpe and with the help of the Timia National Academy of Adventure, she continued her training in the Arabian Sea. Now the question is, for how long she took the training? 3 weeks. Okay, so she took training for 3 weeks. Again, who was the coach? Yes, Dinesh Subarna. Dinesh Subarna was the coach. Now what was the result or output? Yes, the output is she has got the capability to swim for long hours in high seas. Okay, so we have completed the second point of training. Okay, first point, training in Bangalore for long hours in water. Second point, training in Arabian Sea, that is to fulfill the condition of long hours in high seas. Now this part is over. Then comes the third part. Okay, so here what will Janaki do? So Janaki returned to Bangalore and sent a message to the English Channel Swimming Association that I have now the conditions satisfied. Now what was the reply? In the fourth point, the Channel Association, they had qualified Janaki for this swimming. Now what will come next? Now it's time for Janaki to prepare to go to England to cross the channel. For that, what did she need? She needed money. So where from to get? So she collected money from government, from some private agencies, and finally from some friends. In this way she has prepared. Now who will go with her? Her father and mother. Now the last point, that is the fifth one of her training. In the middle of 1992, C.N. Janaki left for England with her parents and reached Dover Beach. Okay, so there she started practicing in English Channel. Now what should be the reaction of the English Channel swimming officials? Yes, you just go through the book and tell me. Yes, they were surprised to see Janaki, handicapped girl, just swimming in the channel water in a confident manner. They were shocked. How is it possible? Then what will be the next? We will discuss in the next video. So for today, let us wind up the class here and let me tell you what are the points that we have discussed in this video. Here we have divided the video into two segments. First one is about Janaki, second point is her training. In the first point, we knew who was Janaki when she struck polio and how she got the idea to swim English Channel. What did she do to fulfill that? How she got the reply from the Channel Association. In training part, we discussed first training in Bangalore, then second training in Arabian Sea and third return to Bangalore and to send request to Channel official, and the fourth that the permission from the channel and just went to England. And finally the fifth point, that how the officials stuck when Janaki started practicing in Dover Beach in the English Channel. Okay, I think you have got an idea. So the last but not the least, the thought of the day. So very inspiring line. When people throw stones at you, you turn them into milestones. I will be right back with another video very soon. This part 2 of this chapter. Till then, goodbye, take care and have a nice day ahead.